Hi everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial we will learn how to create a simple count vowels in Python. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I'm using pycharm Community Edition that is free to download from the internet. So here we have here several comments. In Python programming, the extension is py. So yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, IT MIT. And then my two websites, www.jakerpomperada.com, and then the other one is jakerpomperada.blogspot.com, and then my personal email address at jakerpomperada@gmail.com, where you can contact me. Currently I'm accepting programming jobs, software development at a very affordable cost. My location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Print, open and close parentheses means new line in Python. Print \t resembles horizontal tab, which being adapted by Python programming language in C. We have here count vowels in Python. So val underscore str, our variable for string, equals input, give a string. So in this portion we will accepting string from the user, and then it will be stored in a variable called val underscore str. Vowels, we initialize it with 0. The main reason that we initialize a variable in 0 so that we cannot get erroneous result during the execution of the program. For I, another variable in val underscore str, so it refers that we are counting the number of characters now using for loop in Python. If I equals small letter a, or I equals e, or I equals I also as a character, or I equals o, or I equals u, or I capital A, E, I, O, capital O, and U, vowels increment +1. So new line here, count number of vowels in this portion to display curly bracket vowels, and then end of program. Okay, so let us execute our program. So it's running right now. Count vowels in Python, give a string, information is information. From the word information, we have 5 vowels: I, O, I, O. Okay, second time around, let's say books and notes. So for the string books and notes, we have 5, 2 O's, A, O, and E. So we have 5 number of vowels, we have 5, end of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you learned something new on how to create count vowels in Python. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.